quick little tutorial here. So we're largely complete with this project, and once we finalize the windows and doors, there often is quite a bit of discrepancy, I guess, between our numbering. So let's just dive in here. We've actually fixed this already, but you'll have 59 and then maybe 200 and like 300. And so when we're done, I have this plugin here called DiRoots, and it's a great little plugin. And one of the features I use quite often is this reordering and numbering plugin. So to do this, I'm going to open my 3D view. We're going to click reordering, and we're going to start by clicking windows, and we would do the same with essentially the same thing with doors. So I'm just going to do it once with the windows, but we do it for both. Doors, we're going to click families here. We're going to select all. We're going to click types. We're going to select all. It's going to just load all those parameters in. We're going to click mark value, and we're just going to click auto. And it's going to automatically renumber all those doors and windows. Obviously, again, doing it twice for each, but it's going to renumber those so that they're starting at 1 and going up to whatever number they end up doing. So there's a quick little tip.